In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 Pro, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. First of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select sounds and haptics, and here you need to click on ringtone. In front of you you've got all the options, so let me show you the ringtones that you can apply to this Apple device. Let's start with default one, which is reflection. Let me choose, for example, robot. Here you can also apply some other tones, but actually I would rather to use some from the ringtones, so this is it. So you can smoothly and easily change ringtone. As you can see, it's been already changed to robot. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.